In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Atlas future while talking about the Star Atlas cost conjecture for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to think about this and some other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Star Atlas. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive commonly profound into the Star Atlas value forecast and answer questions in the event that Atlas especially is a sort of wise speculation or not. For what reason will Atlas succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will Star Atlas value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what Atlas is and its to-date history. Atlas value expectation for the following 90 days. The fundamentally entire crypto world generally is on an edge of an undeniable explicitly bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unequaled high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increment. Financial backers explicitly are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto explicitly is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous play, and subsequently the auction, or so they thought. Our algo still sees a some green in 2022, particularly in the genuinely second piece of the year in an unobtrusive manner. This is generally reflected in our 2022 forecasts, which basically is very critical. At the present time, Bitcoin sort of necessities to in a real sense find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course, which sort of is genuinely critical. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will truly begin to do likewise. We generally have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model truly is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and exceptionally other basically greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill, an unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and principal evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few fundamentally other in every practical sense restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2022 1111 plus 4.57% $0.0045 2022 1112 plus 1.52% $0.0044 2022 1113 in opposition to prevalent thinking, plus 0.86% $0.0044 2022 1114 in opposition to prevalent thinking, 5.66% $0.0041 2022 1115 in an unobtrusive manner, 3.35% $0.0042 2022 1116, or so they explicitly thought, 3.14% $0.0042 2022 1117, 0.24% $0.0043 2022 1118, plus 1.13% $0.0044 2022 1119 in spite of prevalent thinking, 8.28% $0.0040 2022 1120, 7.03% $0.0040 2022 1121, 0.89% $0.0043 2022 1122, 0.76% $0 Atlas value forecast 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the principal quarter of 2022 preceding. We see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions, in spite of mainstream thinking. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022 deck. 21.83% $0.0034 2023 Jan. 32.30% $0.0029 2023 Feb. 18.66% $0.0035 2023 Blemish. 18.20% $0.0035 2023 Apra. 6.86% $0.0040 2023 May in an unpretentious manner, plus 4.86% $0.0045 2023 Jun, plus 8.70% $0.0047 2023 Joel, plus 17.19% $0.00512023 AUG, which sort of is genuinely huge, plus 21.67% $0.00532023 SEC, plus 30.31% $0.00562023 AUG, plus 33.98% $0.00582023 NOV, as opposed to prevalent thinking, plus 48.50% $0 value expectation 2025, or so they basically thought. Our expectation model sees Atlas coming to 1 cent in 2025, in spite of mainstream thinking. What will Atlas be worth in 5 years in a significant manner? The cost of Atlas in 5 years could for the most part lie around $0. Star Atlas value expectation 2030 to 2040 in a fundamentally enormous manner. What Star Atlas will be worth in 2030, which is genuinely huge. Our gauging model sees Star Atlas coming to 2 cents in 2030. What Star Atlas will be especially worth in 2040. Our determining model sees Star Atlas coming to 5 cents in 2040. Will Star Atlas supplant, outperform, sort of surpass Bitcoin, which sort of is very critical? No, Star Atlas won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Could Star Atlas sort of reach $1? Indeed, Star Atlas could essentially reach $1 toward the finish of 2025. Will Star Atlas reach $10? Indeed, it really is certainly conceivable that Star Atlas can reach $10, however, just in a separated future, after 2030 incredibly. Could Star Atlas reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Star Atlas to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. Can Star Atlas reach $1,000, which is genuinely critical? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Star Atlas to reach $1,000 in the short or mid-term period. Is Star Atlas worth purchasing in every way that really matters, significant way? We are backers of decently unsafe money management. Put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a crate of in every practical sense, large cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with tremendous potential gain, in spite of prevalent thinking. Thus, in this specific situation, Star Atlas merits purchasing. Is Star Atlas a wise venture? Star Atlas is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a hazardous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in light of the very great use case, all-around plan tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it in an exceptionally significant manner. How much will Star Atlas be somewhat worth in a significant manner? For the transient future, it could reach $0. In the long haul, it could leap to 2 cents or significantly higher in an unobtrusive manner. For what reason will Star Atlas succeed and become more expensive? Star Atlas has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a very strong group behind it, in spite of mainstream thinking. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Star Atlas ascending to 2 cents in 2030. For what reason will Star Atlas essentially fall flat and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle in light of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: grouped announces